Looks like we had a misunderstanding. The individual just emailed me back and said that it is an existing hip roof with an addition here, and I just kind of drew this out. This area would get filled in to give you a ridge here, but you basically extend. If we just drew a line over here, you would have a new ridge that came off here, a hip, and then this would basically be a hip also, valley, ridge, and then this would be a little hip, and then you would have a hip, valley, and then a ridge here. Let's take a look at it and see what it looks like in the perspective. There it is there. I'm just going to kind of whip around and give you a couple of ideas how you could do this. Existing, and then this would just come out a little further. See how it would fill in this area here. It would drop down. You'd have a ridge up here, and then would come back up here. Since I couldn't draw the roof you were looking for in the other program, I went ahead and drew it in this one. And so this would be the addition here. And then you would have the partial addition here. And you would just have two gable roofs next to each other with a roof drainage cricket in the center. And this would just be a sloping section to allow the water that comes off of the side of the roofs to drain off. This way right here, all of the fascia board will line up. Only thing you will have, like I said, is you'll need something to slope something to get the water that comes off of these areas to get off of that roof. So hope this makes sense. This would all fill in. Again, the roof would have an area of fill. The ridge would be back here, I would imagine. The new ridge coming dying back into the hip. And other than that, that's it. So anyway, let's see if this makes any sense to you. And if it doesn't, hey, we always have time to draw it up again a second time. So okay, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'll put a link at the end of the video to the first one and a link on the first one to this one.